Welcome back to another episode of Bluff City Rub. Today we're cooking double smoked potatoes.
That's right. The first smoke cooks the potato, and the second smoke makes it Memphis.
Roll the intro.
Basically, this potato is dressed for its Sunday best. You say it then, funny guy.
So here's the deal. Not just baking potatoes today. We're giving potatoes the Memphis treatment.
Today we're going to be giving you our tips on double smoked baked potatoes on the Weber Kettle. We're going to break down all these tips in 3 easy steps.
We're going to smoke it, we're going to scoop and stuff it.
And that second smoke that makes it Memphis. So that's the game plan.
Let's fire up that smoker and get the cooking.
Right, today we're doing twice baked potatoes on the Weber grill. One of the things to add another layer of flavor is to smoke these potatoes. You can also see here, Greg's already set this up. He's cleaned them, washed them in some olive oil, put them with some kosher salt. That's going to give these skins a wonderful crisp and great flavor. So we'll be setting this Weber Kettle up to cook at about 400 on an indirect cook for about 1 hour. One of the great things about living in Memphis, we have a ton of pecan wood. It's natural to the area, and this is going to create a wonderful layer of flavor to our twice baked smoked potatoes. We've been cooking on our Weber here for about an hour. Again, we've been using pecan wood. Some of the tips for checking if your potatoes are done: give them a little squeeze, make sure they're soft, maybe poke them with a fork. But here at Bluff City, we always like options. Another way to check is to see what your potatoes temp at. And anytime we're smoking or cooking potatoes, we're always looking for somewhere around 200, 210, and that's how we know our potatoes are ready. So these guys are ready to come off the grill. Right, again here, we've been cooking our baked potatoes for about an hour. One of the things I like about smoking on the grill is we took the time to go ahead and coat these in olive oil and kosher salt, and that skin has come out just crispy. You can hear it, and that really adds another layer of flavor and texture to our cook.
All right, we got our potatoes off the smoker. They've been smoked once. And of course, we're going to show you how to add layers of flavor to these potatoes. Notice I got some gloves on here. I got them cotton line to keep my hands from burning. The potatoes are hot, but we're just going to cut these in half, straight down the middle. Just like that. Perfect. All right, we're going to take our potatoes that we've halved, and we're going to get all the guts scooped out into a bowl. Kind of leave a little bit around the edges, that way the potato keeps its shape. Potato skins, you see I already tore one right there. That's what you don't want to do. So you're going to take these and just scoop them right into this bowl, just like this. Leave a little bit in there, just like that. All right, so we got all our guts from our potato in a bowl here. What we're going to do is we're going to take some ingredients, we're going to add it in here. We have a little bit of butter, a little bit of sour cream, sharp cheddar cheese, bacon, a little bit of A1 sauce, our Bluff City Rub for another layer of flavor, and then fresh chives. Now we're going to mix this up really good. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then put this back into our potatoes. We got everything mixed in and incorporated well. We seasoned it with salt and pepper, Bluff City Rub, all the ingredients. And now we're going to take this and we're going to scoop it back into our potato halves. So you get you a potato just like that. You see we left a little bit of potato in there so it keeps its shape, a little bit of the meat. We're just going to take a spoon, we're going to scoop that right back in there. Just like that. And then I'll kind of smooth it out a little bit, make sure it's all in there. Take the back end of that spoon and knead it. Perfect. And we're going to do all of our potato halves just like that. We got our potatoes nice and stuffed here with our potato mixture. And then we're going to top it with a little bit of cheese here on top so they can melt down in there. Catch some of that second layer of smoke. We got our smoke rolling off of the Weber. Put a little bit more pecan wood on there. We're going to get our potatoes back on for another 30 minutes. Now this is a double smoked potato, twice smoked, twice baked, however you want to call it. But we are adding another layer of flavor to this delicious barbecue side. This will work for any cookout. And see, I only used 4 potatoes, but I made 8 servings for guests that are coming over to my house later. Boom, there it is. We're going to throw this back on, let these smoke for another 30 minutes. They'll be ready to go. All right, our potatoes have been smoking for another 30 minutes to add another layer of flavor. And look at these bad boys. They are looking delicious. Cheese is bubbling, starting to get a nice little color to it. You can leave them on for a little bit longer if you want, but we're hungry. We're ready to eat. So we're gonna go ahead and get these bad boys off right here on the cutting board to finish them off. I'll tell you, this is absolutely one of the best barbecue sides that you can make for your guests if you're coming over. Got our potatoes done here. This is why I tell people to cook extra bacon, because Joe ate it all. So we're just gonna put a couple of pieces on each potato. Always cook extra bacon. Always, always, always. All right, we're gonna hit it with some fresh chives right there on top just to finish them off. Double smoked Memphis potatoes on the Weber Kettle. Delicious. Hit it with a little parsley, make them look like Christmas. And that's it. Boom. Layers of flavor, baby.